today's video I will be talking about some idioms. So idioms are basically the phrases that you can use in your speaking, and these are going to increase your band score or your CLB level. Okay, but make sure you use them nicely, so you should understand where and how you should use it. So the very first which I'm going to take is cherry on the cake. So when you say cherry on the cake, that is an added benefit or extra advantage of something. Okay, so it's easy to understand. You have a cake, then you have a cherry on it. It means it is a double benefit, extra advantage. For example, the monetary reward was a cherry on the cake after receiving the gold medal. So you got the gold medal and then you got money, cash prize. So it was a cherry on the cake. Okay, something extra. The second is the ball is in your court. So when you say the ball is in your court, means you have the chance and right to make a decision. So this can very well be used in your speaking part 1 when you are giving advice to somebody. It can be used in your part 5 when it is like comparing and persuading, or in fact if like situation permits you in speaking part 6 dealing with a difficult situation. So in these kind of things you can use. Okay, means you have the right, you have the chance to take the decision. Now it is on you to take the decision. Over to you. So I hope I have explained everything to you nicely, and now the ball is in your court, means it's your call now. The next is leave no stone unturned. Leave no stone unturned means to do everything that can be done to do something. Okay, so for example, he left no stone unturned to get a job. So it can be used in part 1 and part 2 of speaking again. As per the situation, you would say that I left no stone unturned to migrate to Canada. In different situations you can use. Okay, so the next we have is a win-win situation. A win-win situation means a situation that is good for everyone who is involved. So for both of the parties, let's say there are two parties or the two people, like two people or whatever it is. So when it is beneficial to everybody, it is a win-win situation. Okay, for example, flexible working hours are a win-win situation for employers and employees. So win-win, beneficial for everybody. The next is a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something that is easy or simple to accomplish. So something which is easy for you is a piece of cake. For example, my last exam was a piece of cake. Driving is a piece of cake for me. It might be swimming. For something which you think which is very easy is a piece of cake. So that can also be used again in part 1, part 2 or part 5, 6 in speaking. Next is in a dilemma. That is used in part 5, might be part 6 of speaking. In a dilemma means when you have a tough choice. You do not know what to do. Should I choose this first option or the second option? That is a dilemma for you, a tough choice. For example, I am in a dilemma about this job offer. So why? Because I don't know whether I should accept it or not. So when you have some doubt of doing something, when you have some confusion whether should I do this or not, or whether I should do this or that. So in this way we can use in a dilemma. Okay, so these are the 6 very common idioms that you can easily use in your speaking, and you can get good scores. Okay, so keep learning with me. All the best.